Video discusses rocks. Rocks are naturally occurring solid materials that are composed of one or more minerals. They are classified into three major types based on the processes that resulted in their formation: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the solidification of molten material called magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and lithification of sediments such as sand, mud, and organic matter. Metamorphic rocks are formed from the alteration of pre-existing rocks due to changes in temperature, pressure, and chemical environment. Igneous rocks can be further classified into two categories: intrusive and extrusive rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks form when magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface, resulting in large crystals. Extrusive igneous rocks form when lava cools quickly on the Earth's surface, resulting in small crystals or glassy textures. Sedimentary rocks can be further classified into three categories: clastic, chemical, and organic rocks. Plastic sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation of fragments of pre-existing rocks. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed from the precipitation of minerals from water. Organic sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation of organic matter such as shells and plant debris. Metamorphic rocks can be further classified into two categories: foliated and non-foliated rocks. Foliated metamorphic rocks have a layered or banded appearance due to the alignment of minerals during metamorphism. Non-foliated metamorphic rocks do not have a layered appearance.